Yo, D-Will Spordier here. What's good, YouTube, man? Just wanted to show y'all guys how to make a thank you card for your clothing brand, right? So a thank you card is essential, in my opinion, to your brand imagery, your brand presentation, right? So it's really easy. You include your thank you card in your order to your customers, just to increase your brand awareness and increase your branding, right? Branding is important. Branding is everything. So today I'm going to teach y'all guys how to make a thank you card for your clothing brand using Canva the easy way. And I'll show you how to order and stuff too if you want to do that. So let's get into it. So my screen here says how to make a thank you card for your clothing brand. I am going to use a brand that I'm working on called Spordier as examples to this whole entire process and community that I'm trying to build here at DLW Atelier, Design, Development, and Consulting. Basically, I have a background in apparel design, graphic design, product reduction, and development for the past 16 years. I've interned for a few brands here and there. Can't disclose those names because due to NDAs and stuff like that. But I'm familiar with screen printing, DTG, DTF, heat press, vinyl, um, graphic design, tech packs, sewing, cutting, so everything that involves a product and clothing. I got you, bro. So just wanted to kind of get on here, and I felt like it was my turn to just kind of show some sauce to the community, show some sauce to YouTube, and show some sauce to other clothing brand owners that might not know certain things that I know just from my past experiences here. So just wanted to give you guys some quick games. So let's get into it real quick. So basically, you start out. Just go to canva.com, make an account. You don't need a pro account. You can have a free account. You can type in thank you card in the search box. But right now I already did that already. So this is my previous Spordio thank you cards right here. Simple. Thank you. I typically add like a little promo code here. When they click on it, a little discount code. When they click on this QR code here, it goes straight to the website. And then, throw in a little 25% off, a little discount code just to, try to keep the customer engaged and, maybe have them come back again. But I'm going to show you how to make one from scratch. So boom, let's get into it. Real easy, man. Real easy, bro. So let's go to uploads. Throw your logo in there. And then this is however you want to do it. This is no set standard, no set way, no rules to this shit, bro. So you can do however you want to do it. So I'm gonna put my logo right here. Size it up a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bigger right here. Boom. All right. And then I'll probably duplicate this page. Sorry, I'm all in the way and shit. All right, boom. Probably delete that. Shit. Probably delete that. I'm gonna add a thank you text to say, thank you for your order, man. Real easy. Thank you for shopping with us. Probably center it like this. Probably do it right here. Honestly, probably center it like that. Probably, obviously, I always throw a little discount code in here, man, just because. Why not? It's harder to get a new customer than it is to keep the existing customer. So you should do everything possible to keep your existing customers, to keep shopping with you because it's more cost efficient and it's easier because they already purchased your product, they already trust you. So why not try to throw here and here a little sauce here, a little discounts here and there, just so they can keep coming back and shopping with you. So I'm adding that right now. Members only, use code members only during checkout on your next order to receive a discount of, let's say, 20%. Now, the discount code, if you choose to do this method, it's whatever you decide to do. So this is no set standard. you can put it anywhere. I'll probably put it on this side, honestly. Boom, like that. Now we're gonna pop in this QR code real quick. Type in apps here, QR code. Boom. First one. I'm not sure if you need a pro account for this, but if you do, Canva's not expensive at all. And then type your website name in here, size it up to however you want to do it. You can obviously customize it however you like. And just throw that thing right there. So yeah, the QR code is whenever somebody opens up your package. It's all pretty, all nice. You get the product, thank you card, maybe some stickers and stuff, maybe the shop, the printing slip or the receipt, however want to do your business. Just like that. And what's next? I think I'm gonna spice this up a little bit. I'm gonna do this. Let me take this. I think I'm gonna duplicate this real quick. Boom. All right, I'm gonna duplicate that, and I'm gonna add it to here. Yeah, I'm gonna add it to here. I look kind of naked a little bit. I don't know what y'all think about that. I'm gonna add this to the back. I'm gonna do this stuff. We'll give it a little transparent effect. Something simple. Got my branding right here. I don't know, man. You can do whatever you want to do, honestly. Like I said, there is no rules to any of this design stuff, any of this color stuff. Obviously, there is, things that you can, go by, but there's no rules. You do whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy, whatever, makes that customer happy. Whatever imagery that you're trying to come across. So I'm gonna add this one to here again. Yeah, I'm gonna do that like that. I think I'm gonna do it like this. Put it to the back. Get the transparency down a little bit, probably to like 13 for sure. With this one like 13. I said 10, let me do 13. And boom, look, thank you for shopping with us. Like I said, I'm just adding extra shit right now. You do not have to do this at all. This is just me, wanting to do more stuff. Yeah, thanks for shopping with us. Probably add another effect to this as well, just so they can see it a little bit clearer. Use code members only during checkout on your next order to receive discount of 20% off. Size it up like that. QR code here. That shit smooth. That look good to me. What y'all think about that? Look, thank you. Code. Let me zoom out so y'all can see it. And then the cool thing about Canva, you design it on Canva. Obviously, there's other places that you can do this for, but if you design it on Canva, you can just print it straight from Canva. I do it all the time. And it's pretty cost efficient too, in my opinion. So let's go check it out. Boom, there's your thank you card, man. It's typically like this is the size right here, so pretty decent size. It can fit in most t-shirt packages and stuff like that. So you ain't gotta worry about that. All right. This looks like it's off. So let me go back. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the middle. Yeah, and put that in the middle. Let's see how that look now. All right, boom. Yeah. What y'all thinking about my brand name right here? A little background image. Let's make it look a little better design. Thank you for shopping was super simple. Got the promo code or whatever you want to say right there. And boom, that's how probably big is gonna look. A little t-shirt package or whatever you guys are selling. And then cool, like I said, the cool thing about that, you can print out premium paper, deluxe paper. If you're writing, I typically do the deluxe paper. And then if you're gonna write on it, you can do the matte finish and you can sign your name or more of a special detail note that you want to give your customer. But I just want it glossy. I'm not gonna write on it. Bust down 100 note cards for $43. Comes with some envelopes too if you want. And we'll continue. And then basically you got to adjust the edges for printing. So anything that's printed in this area right here, Everything needs all your designs need to be. What was it? Oh, so it's telling me to increase my font size. So Canva will tell you to increase some things if they feel like it's needs to be increased so they can be more legible. Yeah, so now it looks a little better. So typically you increase it to like 10, probably like 9, probably like 8 for real, like 8. And then boom, there's your thank you card. I'll probably move this up a little bit because that text is kind of weird. But yeah, so anything inside of these dotted lines are going to print. Anything outside these dotted lines are not going to print. So just be aware of that too. And obviously you can download the PDF. And then boom, add to the cart, check out, and I'll do whatever you need to do. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to, make a thank you card for Colin Brand. Like I said, it's super simple, super cheap, but it goes a long way, especially with your customers. Like, subscribe to the channel for more Colin Brand sauce, bro. I'm coming with a whole bunch of stuff from the past 17 years that I've been doing this shit. And I'm just gonna throw the game out there, bro, so y'all can reel it in, take it, and take in what y'all need, take it what y'all want, ask me questions of what y'all want to see, just from development, design, anything. But I'm gonna come on with videos as often as I can, and I'm just keep feeding the streets what y'all want. So yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what y'all want, and then I'll be back for another video. Peace.